See, I have the starter kind of like tucked up to the side here. I have to move it eventually to cut the bolts off of the exhaust manifold there. But I got all the bolts out of the torque converter. There's 4 bolts in the torque converter. Slide under here and show you. And try to find a screwdriver or wrench here. Pull it out. There is one of the head bolts. Let's see it there. See it there? There's nuts on there. They were 14 millimeter. I used a long extension to come out here and get up in there like this. Here's my ratchet. Oh, sorry. I got it in there like that. I used my other hand to rotate the engine. You know, you can use a helper if you can get a hand. I got a wife and kids and they're busy as hell, so. But there you go. There's the torque converter bolts. There's 4 of them. It seems like there'd be more than that, but guess not. Next is to take out all the transmission bolts. I hear there's 8 of them, but you can basically look at it. There's one there. There's another one. And, you know, they're around the bell housing. Yep. All right.